In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your Wix website. Duplicating your site is a great way to create a safe working copy for redesigns, experiments, or a quick backup without touching the live version. We'll keep this simple and clear so you know exactly what to expect at each step. Start by signing in to your Wix dashboard. This is your main control center where all your sites live. Once you're in, look through your list of sites and locate the one you want to copy. If you manage multiple projects, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct site by checking the thumbnail and site name so you don't duplicate the wrong one. Next, on that site's card, click Site Actions. This opens a small menu with helpful options. Choose Duplicate Site. Wix will begin creating an exact copy of your site's structure and content. This part happens behind the scenes and usually takes just a few moments. While it's processing, you don't need to do anything. Just let Wix finish building the duplicate. When it's done, you'll see a new entry in your dashboard. This is your duplicated site, and it will appear as a separate unpublished site. The original remains unchanged and live, while the copy is safely offline until you decide what to do with it later. This makes it perfect for testing new layouts, trying out different design ideas, or preparing seasonal updates without risking your current site. Typically, the copy will carry over your pages and design, while connections like domains and premium plans are not automatically attached to the duplicate, which helps keep things separated. If you want to keep your workspace tidy, consider renaming the new site so it's easy to recognize. Click Site Actions on the duplicated site and choose Rename. Give it a clear, descriptive title, something like Draft, V2, or a date, so you and your team always know which version you're opening. A consistent naming style can save a lot of time when you're juggling multiple versions. That's all there is to it. You've signed in, found the site you want, duplicated it with a click, waited for Wix to do the heavy lifting, located the new unpublished copy in your dashboard, and renamed it for clarity. It's a quick, reliable way to work safely without affecting your live site, and it keeps your creative process organized and low risk.